What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're creating a sketch illustration of Wednesday Addams. Let's begin today's lesson by sketching a line coming down the center of our page. We're going to start at the very top in the middle. Just going to lightly draw this line, just pulling the pencil down towards us. And then we'll go up to the top and draw another guideline going across from left to right. So we'll start with the left side and then the right. Let's use these guidelines to help us draw our circle. From the center, let's go all the way up towards the top. Just going to mark this off. Now we want to take that same distance down towards the bottom and do the same thing for the bottom of the circle. Let's do the same thing across this horizontal line, taking the same distance over towards the left, just marking that off, and then over towards the right. Now to create our circle, all we need to do is connect each of these points with a curve. So we'll start with the top left. Now this doesn't have to be perfect, we just want to get the right size and location on our page. We can always go back and just readjust and smooth out our circle. Now that we have our circle in place, let's add some guidelines. We're going to start with the side of our circle, draw another straight line coming all the way down towards the bottom. Let's add another line going across the bottom of our circle from left to right. And now we're going to locate the top edge of the eyes. We're going to tilt the head forward. So along the bottom of our circle, we're going to step up. Right about here, we're just going to mark this off with a straight line. Now we're going to leave a gap in the center and mark off the inside corner of the eyes. Let's step over towards the left. Draw a straight line coming down. Now let's take that same distance over towards the right. Let's add some shape to the eyes. From this point, we're going to step down, curve the eyelid, going up towards the top, and then down towards the side of our circle. From the outside of the eyelid, let's step up, curve the bottom of the eye, coming down, and then in. And now we're going to push the pupils towards the top edge of the eyelid. So starting on the left, we draw a small half circle, coming down and up. Now we don't want to go too dark because we might want to readjust the placement later. Let's go back to that inside corner and add a guideline for the eyebrows, going up and out. Now I'm going to move back to the bottom of our circle and sketch out a small circle for the nose. Just going all the way around, down towards the bottom. From the side, draw a short line going out, round out the nostril, and then pull that in towards the side. Now just underneath the nose, we're going to step down, just mark off the edge of the mouth, going out towards the left and right side. And then from the center, we're going to add some shape to the lips. Stepping up, just going to add two angled lines going up and out, curve the lip going out and then back down. Now let's draw on the lower lip. Let's connect the corners of the mouth, coming down in the middle, rounding this out, and then go back up. Now from the bottom lip, let's step down, just mark off the chin with a straight line. Now let's add some shape to the outside of the head. Starting from the outside of the eyebrow, we're just going to angle the head, coming down and then in towards the jaw on both sides. And then we'll work our way down towards the chin, coming down and then in. Now I'm going to work our way down towards the neck and shoulders. Starting from the jaw, we're going to step in, draw two angled lines coming down along the side of the collar, coming down and in towards the bottom. Now I just want to pull this up and in towards the center of the chin. From the outside corner of the collar, slope the shoulders coming down and out. Now that we have the rough sketch of the facial features, let's go in and lightly erase some of these guidelines. Now from here, we're going to move to the side edge of our pencil and add some shape and volume to the hair. Let's start by separating out the hair bangs, starting right in the middle. Just going to bend this out and down towards the left, come down and out towards the right. Now along the brow, just going to curve the hair coming in and up. Just adding a little bit of volume and contrast. Let's go up to the top center, curve the hair going up and down towards the left. Just going to add some volume on the side of the head, just building this out, and we'll just pull that back in towards the side. I'm just going to add some curls on the side of the head. And from the center, just darkening up that seam. Now let's move in with the tip of our pencil and add some shape and detail to the eyes. Let's start on the left. Just going to work our way up toward the top. Just adding a fold across the eyelid. I'm just going to darken up the eyelids. And I'm just going to trace out the outside of the iris. And a small highlight on the bottom right side. And I'll just darken up the inside of the iris and pupil going around that highlight. And I'm also going to bring that shadow coming down across the top of the eye. I'm just going to move up and just darken up the eyebrows. Bringing that shadow in towards the side edge of the nose. Now from here I'm just going to move down and start adding some detail to the nose, starting along the bottom edge. And we'll just refine that shadow along the side. Now we're just going to readjust the placement of the mouth, just raising up a little bit higher. Then darkening up the upper lip. Now I'm going to go back and add some more definition to the hair, starting along the bottom edge and just working our way up from the shadow, going up towards the top. Use the tip or pencil to add some fine hairs in between. Now we want to darken up the hair starting from that center seam and work our way out. And this will help us create some highlights across the center of the hair. And just lightly shading that in. And we'll go back with the tip or pencil and add some more texture. Now as we get closer to the end of our drawing, I'm gonna add a little bit more detail to the body and some contrast to the hair, and always be sure to sign out our work, and that's pretty much it. There's a sketch illustration of Wednesday Addams. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you smash that like button because I'm posting new lessons every single day, and you might want to check out this video over here. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.